I apologize if my voice is a little different. I'm sick, but so today I'm gonna show you how to make your beats sound like this. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to take your EQ. You're gonna want to take your EQ, turn the bass on that all the way up. I use Ozone 2. Oh, Ozone 2. What the f? Ozone 11 to equalize my tracks because it's free and like it's a decent plugin. You can use FabFilter, whatever. Me personally, I use Ozone 11. And over here, you're gonna want to go into Fruity Soft Clipper, put that on the master as well. Tweak with the knobs a little bit. You're gonna want to make sure that it clips though, otherwise it won't hit as hard. I don't know how to explain it. It just makes it sound better. For the sample, I just I'm gonna get copyright struck for this, but like I just use "Shut Up and Drive," not "Shut Up and Drive." "Be Quiet and Drive" by Deftones. So yeah, I used a sample for that, chopped the beginning up, and like just used it as a loop throughout the entire song. And that's basically it for like the melody. SEMATARY doesn't really like. Sometimes he does his own melodies, but in his earlier stuff, you could see him using like samples. This is the 808 track. I got the 808 from this drum kit right here. SEMATARY drum kit. I forgot where I got it. It was on some like Reddit subreddit thing. But I used the. I think I used this one. As you can see, it has a little bit of distortion to it. That's because I went over here and put Fruity Fast Distortion. You can use any distortion plugin that you want. I'm not going to tell you which ones to use because I barely even know which ones to use myself. But what I did is I went to this preset, went over here, flipped one, thought, yeah, that sounds good, like, keep it there. Here's what it sounds like without the distortion. So you can tell it's a real nice subby 808, but with a little bit of distortion, it really gets that kick that it needs to make you sound like, you know, SEMATARY is real haunted mountain. What the fuck am I doing with my life? That scared the fuck out of me. I guess I could get started on the drums. Okay, the drums. Amethyst Sound Kit. I got this one. I got it off of Reddit. I don't know if it's legal or not. I didn't check. Please don't arrest me. But I mapped these all to one except for the kick. Because you'll see why. I'll explain it in a little bit. But we got the clap. Snare. Another snare. DJ scratch. The rim. Another rim. Another snare. Then you have the kit, which is actually from the SEMATARY drum kit. Quick editor's note, the triangle sound is also from the Cemetery drum kit. I forgot to mention this, but it is not included in the Amethyst sound kit. Thank you. Anyways, about why I put the kick in a separate track. You're gonna go over here to your mixer. You're gonna see, hold up. Where is it? This is embarrassing as shit. I forgot to map the kick to the... Okay, so like once you got your fruity limiter set up and you got the sidechangers connected to the shit that you want to sidechain, I'm assuming that you know how to do that. If not, I'm not gonna explain it. Go watch a tutorial. But like once you got that set up, you go over here into compression. You solo the channel that's sidechaining that, and you tweak with the parameters on this to give it like a subtle like sidechain compression effect. Select the 2-1, mess with it a little bit like this. It unmuted my microphone. I'm probably gonna have to like mute that when I go back and edit it, but like, yeah. So anyways, that's how you do it. Like as you can see, it gives it like that edge to it, you know? No diddy, but like I don't know how to describe it. It just makes it sound like more like it adds depth to it. So like it goes from like the previous one to sound more like this. You got the drums right here. So like I made this drum pattern as like inspired by kind of like, obviously it's haunted metal. You gotta like take some inspiration from Red Chaos, some other underground artists, and you gotta like make sure that there's like hi-hat fills and snares and that in there, filling like the empty spaces. Otherwise it's gonna sound empty and the track's gonna sound like garbage. Okay, the 808. For this I just used a really simple like 2-note 808 pattern and chopped up the notes a little bit to give them some rhythm. This is what it sounds like. And obviously, we got the taps.
Oh, you don't even smile.
So you can see I got Cemetery's tags at the beginning, and then I got my tag at the end. Then last but not least, we got Precious. I put effects over the tags. I used Valhalla Supermassive. I hope you enjoyed this very, very all over the place tutorial. I've never made a tutorial before, and I suck at like explaining my process and all that, but like I hope you enjoyed me explaining it with my autistic ass. But yeah, that's about it. See ya.